Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man with the talk am as he be, the verse for Edo State APC. Make I leave you with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for hear the message we send give APC leaders for Edo State.
Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Talk am as it be. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend, but I know say truth, they spoil a lot of friends. I want quick and direct this message to Edo State APC. And I hear it say that they declare state of emergency for Edo. When things they there for Nigeria, why they not come out to talk to declare state of emergency for Nigeria? Because their grandpa Bubu now be their leader. The high cost of living in Nigeria, Edo State APC not come out to speak on the high cost of living in Nigeria. Gas, 12.5 kg of gas, where will they feel for 3,900 naira? As of today, now 10,000 naira. Edo State APC not come out, they not do press conference to take address the evil when their grandpapa Bubu bring upon the nation. Food. People cannot eat. Poverty everywhere. Edo State APC not come out to do what press conference. There have been series of kidnappings and killing along our federal highway, the Benin Auchi Road. There have been kidnapping. Edo State APC not do press conference to take call on their Oga Bubu to address her. Sapler Road has been under serious deployable state for years. Edo State APC, they not do broadcast, they not do press conference to take call Fashola or their papa grandpa Bubu to say let Sapler Road be fixed. Serious insecurity is going on in the north. All kind of demonic vices they go on for the country. Edo State APC, they not do press conference to say federal government do the needful. Now, when they come out, they declare state of emergency for Edo. It then pity said those that call themselves politicians that are supposed to be representing the interest of the people, they are not representing themselves and their stomach. Edo State APC should make una supposed to be shame for una self. Una not supposed to come out to do what press conference today. Una supposed to be shame. There have been outcry of insecurity in Nigeria. Edo State APC una not do what press conference to take call on una Oga Presidency Bubu. Una never do press conference. People are dying. Kidnappings on the increase. People don't feel go farm. Edo State APC not come out one day to do world press conference to say we the APC leaders in Edo thereby condemn the high rate of insecurity in Nigeria, the high rate of unemployment in Nigeria. Edo State APC never come out to talk to the whole world. Our purpose in governance is to change the negative narrative. I will go tell you now today, anything called APC in Edo is dead. Because the people that are supposed to be speaking for the people on Gawan finish una. Una never still recover from the loss of the election to my governor Godwin Obaseki. It's a shame for the leaders of APC in Edo to wake up all of a sudden to begin to vomit rubbish. How many of them share food give the people during this Christmas period? Una supposed to be shame. Una supposed to go bury una head in shame. The high rate of employment in Nigeria, Edo State APC not come out to say, President, do something about the killing because now not be the head. Oh, Edo State APC now they Abuja. How come? The high rate of insecurity in Nigeria, people have failed to address it. The high rate of unemployment in Nigeria, your party have refused to address it. Poverty everywhere in Nigeria, APC, una no address am. Hunger everywhere, APC, una no wake up to address am. How many times APC leaders in Edo wake up to do a world press conference to condemn the kidnapping of our people along the federal road? People were calling on Governor Gordon Obaseki. Are you aware Edo State APC says Sapele Road now? They don't work. People don't show up for Sapele Road. Una not come out one day to do a world press conference to call on the Minister of Works, Fashola, to do that road. A lot of killings going on in the north. Boko Haram, the terrorists. Edo State APC not come out to say, President, we are not doing well. The people are dying. Edo State APC, are you aware? Say Bini on the road. In fact, if you go Ekedolo and Ovioge, Edo State APC, una dey aware say custom no dey allow our people bring goods come Edo State. Edo State APC, una dey aware say Ovioge and Ekedolo custom dey there. They disturb our people from bringing goods to Edo. How come una never do press conference to take call on the federal government to say remove custom from our road, especially Ovioge and Ekedolo? Talk am as it be. Una supposed to be shame for coming out to do a worthless broadcast. But I want to show so that it is relevant, but you guys are no longer relevant. If Edo State APC don't they talk since, they didn't say anything. Because now they are going to be president. Then una can suddenly wake up, una begin to show na muzzle for Edo, it no work. People like us no go fold hand to allow na to display na foolishness. You guys are supposed to be ashamed. Go and check every part of the country. The country is bleeding. Now Obaseki Kosa, is Obaseki responsible for the high cost of living? Is Obaseki also responsible for gas? That we cannot feed gas. 12.5 kg of gas, where would they feed for 4,000 as at today na 10,000 naira. Edo State APC will not come out to call on president to look into that. I think we have tolerated you people enough. Anybody with the sponsor crime for this state, una go use una sponsor what you go ruin una and una generation. All the question where they ask, why APC leader for Edo never come out to prevail on the president, make them remove custom, come out from Ovioge and Ekedolo? Why? Why? Edo State APC, una not dey aware, say custom, they disturb our people from bringing goods to Edo? Una not dey aware. I been a family member, know they bring goods come Edo. I don't understand. I be una family members, know they bring goods come Edo. People they cry, say custom, no they allow them bring goods come Edo. Who they custom? No be federal government. Federal government are the one controlling custom. Edo State APC never do broadcast. They don't call world press conference, calling on the president to address the issue of custom embarrassing Edo people. What a shame. What a shame. Ovioge did there. How come between Ekedolo and Ovioge we get two custom checking point? Custom checking point for Ekedolo, custom checking point for Ovioge. Edo State APC, what you know they do? Edo State APC, wetin una dey do? Why una not do press conference to call on the federal government to remove custom from the road because they know they allow our people to bring goods into the state? Are you aware? Benin Akure Sapele Road has been under serious deplorable state for years. APC, Edo State APC, will not wake up to call on Fashola and the Minister of Works to prevail. You guys were calling on Obaseki. There have been serious kidnapping in a hall. APC, why not do World Press Conference to call on the federal government to deploy more army to that area, more police to that area. Benin Ekpoma Road, where does spoil for years. APC, why una not do press conference to call on the Minister of Works to quickly fix that road? More they talk about it, be make I ask you a question. The high rate of hunger in this country, APC, Edo State APC, not come out one day to do a World Press Conference calling on the federal government to look into that. Edo State APC, are you aware of the issue of Fulani terrorists? When it be our people in the field go farm, how many times una don't come out to do brokers, to do World Press Conference, calling on the federal government to look into the issue of terrorists in our forest when they make our people they go farm? What a shame. Leaders without future. And you just suddenly wake up. You want to they should declare state of emergency in Edo. When last did you guys wake up to call on the federal government to declare state of emergency in our education sector? Are you aware that most of our universities, they're not in this state? Benin Abraka Road, is it not a federal road? Why APC not come out to address it? The reign of Oshomole, why APC not come out to prevent on Oshomole to allow a lot of things work in the state? Because you guys were eating free money. Politics is not a dirty game. It's because a lot of good people allow una to the control, and we are saying enough is enough. All this one are the fundamental issue when they bring up right now, why the APC leadership never come out to address them. Please, I just want you guys to reason with me. The high cost of living in Nigeria, Edo State APC not do World Press Conference to call on the president to look into this issue. Insecurity everywhere. Edo State APC will not do World Press Conference to address it. Then all of you, all the old men who gather, they do World Press Conference on Edo. It really shows that you guys need urgent medical attention. Some of us will not keep quiet anymore. I will call a spade a spade. What is not good is bad. Tell friend truth, you know the spoil friend. Community where good people keep quiet. I'm about to be general. So, Edo State APC, channel all your energy to talk to federal government. Edo State APC, channel all your energy to talk to federal government. Number one, tell them they remove custom, come out from our road. Care the law and Oyogi. Now the assignment when I give them be this. Edo State APC, if we not get the right, if we not fit talk to Oga Bubu to address the issue of custom, they embarrass our people from bringing goods into Edo, then you have no right to speak on what is going on in the state. If Edo State APC no fit do World Press Conference to tell the federal government there is hunger in the land, then we will not get the capacity to do a World Press Conference to speak on the issue of Edo. If Edo State APC no fit do a World Press Conference telling the federal government to address the issue of killings, the issue of kidnapping of our people in our land, and our people cannot go to farm, then they have no moral right to speak on the issue of Edo. They have no moral right to speak on the issue of Edo. Enough is enough. Blood is flowing everywhere all over the country. And those state APC not come out to join other people to say, what do we do? But you get will be centered waiting for Governor Obaseki to fail. And Obaseki will never fail for as long we still deal with them. But you guys wake up and be doing rubbish. You guys, you not see what can Mona let me talk to una this evening. All the leadership of Edo State APC, Mona not let me talk to una. Because this state don't do una hand. Well, of una take time. We will no longer tolerate you people nonsense again. The country is bleeding. All the so-called old men in APC una kept quiet. You guys kept quiet. There have been serious issue of kidnapping in this state. What I don't say APC when I do one press conference. There have been issue of land grabbing. When some of us squared the issue of land grabbing, and any of you come out to do a one press conference, say enough is enough of the issue of land grabbing in Edo State. No. What has been you people positive contribution to the state? No contribution. No contribution. And I challenge you now with facts this evening at Edo State APC. I'm challenging you guys with facts. Why would I not do World Press Conference calling on the federal government to look into the issue of custom for our road, especially Ekadolo and Oyoge? Why? Because you're not concerned now. You're not concerned now. And you expect some of us to keep quiet to allow people to be say things that you're not to say. For as long as Edo State APC no fit talk to president, then they should keep quiet. They should keep quiet. For the first time, we dey celebrate Christmas for Edo every day calm. For the first time in 8 years. For the first time in 8 years, we dey celebrate Christmas in Edo peaceful. People dey sleep peacefully. When they declare state of emergency, when I go declare, tell the federal government to declare state of emergency in our education sector. Edo State APC, are you aware there is no good equipment in our hospitals across the country? Edo State APC, are you aware there is hunger in the land? Una deaf? Una hear the people cry? When I not hear the people cry, when I not hear the people cry. So now one make cry, make people they fight every day for Edo State. Make people okay, when they want to hear killings in Edo State, since now not hear the killings now, in the pain for body. For as long we are concerned, Obaseki is a man that God sent to change the negative narrative. Either people adjust or people leave the state. The state can no longer be comfortable for you guys. We stand with Obaseki. And there is nothing any of you can do. There have been serious kidnapping in Edo State. Who knows whether or not they sponsor the crime to give Obaseki bad name? Who knows whether or not they sponsor him? Everyone like the Obafo. Our people don't feel go farm because of the issue of herdsmen. Why the Edo State APC not wake up, do broadcast to say, no, federal government address the issue of Fulani killing our people, preventing our people from going to farm. So Obaseki should do everything. Now Obaseki they control the police. Now Obaseki they control army. Why the Edo State APC not come out to prevail on the federal government? You people have lost that seat and the APC can never rule this state again. Never. Never. So, for the first time, that one I'll give you guys a powerful broadcast tonight. By the grace of God. When I go see the kind of thing where they're going across the state. And these guys are not happy. Now, Edo State APC, when Oshiomhole shut down Ekadolo say one convert them to Tayo Akpata University, we on a day. We not see university. You are blaming Obaseki. Edo State APC, when Oshiomhole go build university for Iyamo, Where were you guys? Edo State APC, when Oshomole, listen to me, Edo State APC, when Oshomole go step down light for his village, there is light in Oshomole village 24 hours. Where were you guys? Where were you guys? Where were you guys? And you expect some of us to keep quiet. Edo State APC, they ask you now. When Oshomole go build university for Eyamowe on a day, and there was no good, and Oshomole he not found any other university. Go to Imo State, the high rate of killings in Imo is being controlled by APC. Kogi is being controlled by APC. Look at the killings. Kaduna is being controlled by APC. We'll look at the killings over there. We will not wake up to do a World Press conference calling on the federal government to look into the issue of killings in Kaduna, in Imo State, and other part of the country. Now the short message when I get for now this evening, I will come for now tomorrow. I will come for now tomorrow. I will come for now tomorrow. There's a lot of issues we need to address in this state. For the first time, we dey celebrate Christmas, no shaking. APC, Edo State APC, they're not happy. My question is this: when oh God, all these our fathers now don't fuck up, now don't fall our hand. We will not try. We will not try. All past criminal party. APC, or past criminal party. See, any trouble on our cause for this state, and God will punish you now. Any trouble where APC want create for this state, and God will punish you now. Anybody we want to sponsor crime for this state, so I mean they blame Governor Obaseki, we're not going to now sponsor what he could destroy our generation. For as long as God live, we'll fight all of you. We'll fight all of you. You cannot expect Obaseki to use. What kind of useless security force is that? And you not going to ask Buhari why Buhari not use your security force to ensure insecurity stop in Nigeria? Is it Obaseki that controlling police? Do you know how much Obaseki they pay other staff for this state? We dey call for all of una. Hunger go finish now for this state. You people are not happy there is sanity in the state. Edo State APC, they are not happy because there is sanity in the state. So which means none of the problem in this country. APC, demonic party. Demonic party, evil party. The party that brought poverty to Nigeria. The party spreading, celebrating untimely death of our youth. Our youth are into crime today because of the activities of the APC. Edo State APC, are you not aware that Buhari won't go borrow that money again? Trillions of naira. Are you aware? Edo State APC, are you aware that your father, Bubu, have gone to borrow that money, plaguing the country into debt? And you guys have not said anything. Are you aware? Are you aware? Edo State APC, una they aware, say Buhari don't borrow money again. You guys are not to talk anything. And all of them go with a big belly when they do broadcast. Whether I like it or not, Obaseki have come to change the narrative. Whether we like it or not, if I adjust, good for you guys. If I refuse to adjust, Unga will finish you now. All of a sudden, Edo State APC come suddenly get power. We Bishop Nofi talk to Buhari to check insecurity in Nigeria. The killings of our people. Custom, they disturb our people. Custom, as many they talk now, custom, they of Yogi and Ekadolo, they disturb our sons and daughters from bringing goods into the country, into the state. As many they talk now, custom, the day of Yogi, the day for Kadolo, they prevent our brothers and sisters from bringing goods into the state. And those state APC never come out to address that issue. Make una enter house. Those state APC, make una enter house. Make una get shame. Make una enter house. Una get shame. Una not supposed to be talking here because your party had brought pain to this country. APC Edo State, your party had brought pain to this country. They have brought pain to this country. Insecurity everywhere, high cost of living. People cannot buy food. Edo State APC, your party had brought pain to this country. Had brought pain. And you have the effort to do it. One entire house. Well, who know them? When I carry this broadcast, go give the chat post after they ask them question. Let them watch this broadcast and let them give us answer. Why they never do World Press Conference concerning Oviogi custom where they disturb our people? Why they not come out to do World Press Conference for Benin Saple Road and the kidnapping and the high rate of unemployment in Nigeria? They should come and tell us. Will they come? With that question they ask colorful now. Will they wait? Now we hear from us.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.